Today, we're going to build a World War I biplane using 4 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a 1x2 jumper plate, and in that center stud of our jumper plate, we're going to put a 1x1 plate with clip. And so just put that right there on top of that stud, straighten it out, and now we've got that top stud on our 1x1 plate with clip. We're going to get a 1x2 tile piece and put that 1x2 tile piece so that it's centered and on that top stud. Now, these tile pieces have a lot of give because they can slide, so what you're going to want to do is make sure it's nice and even with the bottom wings. And here we've got the top and bottom wings to our biplane, and all we have left to do now is that back tail fin, and to do that we're going to get a 1x1 tile piece and just put it right there into the clip. So we just slide our tile piece into the clip, and we've got our completed World War I biplane, possibly flown by the Red Baron himself.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.